Hey everyone. Good morning. Happy Monday. I'm in a meeting, so I'm not here, but I am here in your computer to help you navigate what you need to do today. So, of course, we know to go to Edsby, where I have your agenda for today. And first off, it says complete global and local current notes. Now, this should have been done for homework, and actually, I'd rather if you didn't take any class time to do this. I do want to point out to everybody, here is that. Oh, look, everybody's online. Hello. I do want to point out to everybody that I have added some notes about global currents, worldwide and ocean currents. Um, Somewhere on here. Oh, here it is. Just looking at sort of these idea of how that affects climate, how local current here we go, surface and deep ocean currents on a global scale. So I added this, and to just sort of understand that because I think those were kind of unclear, but maybe not. That was just my idea. Okay, so once you've done that and you've looked through those and sort of reacquainted yourself with that, if you haven't yet finished part 2 of your project, the Come Visit Us Here, you need to do that. Prevailing winds patterns across the climate. You're putting in a map. In addition, I've added a part because we realized we didn't put anything about ocean currents, and ocean currents are, of course, a very important part of climate. So what I'd like you to do is copy. You don't actually have to copy this. You can just copy the question. Basically, locate your city on here, wherever you happen to be studying. So say you're studying Zanzibar, which I believe is over here. You would say, oh, that probably will not be affected by ocean currents because this is a deep, cold, deep current. So it's not necessarily going to bring, it's not going to be affecting the climate on the surface of the ocean. Whereas ones that are here on these orange things are probably more likely to be affected. Okay, so that's just sort of what I want you to talk about here. You're going to add this to your project. Okay. Then you're going to take a check-in. It looks like this. And that's just 3 questions just so I can know what you're understanding and not. Please don't use your notes. Just go in, do the best you can. No problem. Then you have your final part 3, which is looking at weather. And so there is a weather note-taking sheet. And again, I don't want you to make a new document. You're going to take this, which is what's linked there, and copy and paste it into your other document. And then the weather resource, which is here. Ooh, hello. Which is here, and this is our final resource for this particular learning cycle. Okay, so you're going to do your notes, your resource, then you're going to do, again, go back to this climate project and do part 3. So you're basically going to look at the weather of of your 2 locations. So that's that. I trust you can get pretty far on this today if you're efficient. And please have all of that done for next class. I will remind you that we are assessing responsibility and self-directed learning on this as well. So please make sure that you are demonstrating that. This is your chance to demonstrate your responsibility and the fact that you're a self-directed learner. And I'll be able to talk to your parents about that at parent-teacher conferences. How exciting. Have a good day. I miss you guys. I'll be in school, so I'll see you soon. Bye.